Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable sticky keys on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, select the ease of access tile. And then scrolling down again on the left underneath interaction, select keyboard. And then on the right side where it says press one key at a time for keyboard shortcuts, you can go ahead and just toggle that off if you just want to turn it off altogether. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.